Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to this exciting presentation on the Van de Graaff generator, a remarkable piece of scientific equipment supplied and exported by Spancare Pharmaceuticals in India. Today, we'll unveil the inner workings of this extraordinary device step by step. Opening the box. As we lift the lid, we are greeted with the heart of the system, the Van de Graaff generator itself. A sleek, innovative design crafted by Spancare Pharmaceuticals for scientific exploration. The dome. First, we encounter the iconic dome, a polished sphere that plays a crucial role in this electrostatic wonder. It serves as a collector for the charges generated, showcasing the potential for electrifying experiments. Belt and motor. Moving on, we reveal the precision-engineered belt and motor assembly. This dynamic duo is responsible for creating the charge differential, a key element in the Van de Graaff generator's ability to produce high voltages. Insulating column. Now, let's explore the insulating column. This component ensures that the generated charge accumulates without leaking away, facilitating impressive voltage buildup for captivating demonstrations. Safety features. It's worth noting that Spancare Pharmaceuticals has prioritized safety in the design. Various safety features are integrated to make your experiments secure, ensuring a risk-free experience for both beginners and seasoned scientists. Contact Spancare Pharmaceuticals. If you're as captivated by the Van de Graaff generator as we are, don't hesitate to contact Spancare Pharmaceuticals. Visit www.spancare.in or dial +9 1-837-793-5124 to explore the possibilities and acquire this amazing product for your scientific endeavors. In conclusion, the Van de Graaff generator from Spancare Pharmaceuticals promises an electrifying journey into the world of physics.